Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elena. Today I am back with a Temu silicone mold haul. You guys know I've been out of the loop for a little minute here, and I wanted to come back and start off with a silicone mold haul. Now Temu have reached out to me on my other channel, and I did a whole haul over there. Just like household products, a few clothing items, and I can't remember what else. But if you're interested in seeing that haul, check out my other channel. I will leave the link in the description box below, and you can check out my initial Temu haul. But once I found out about Temu, I just went crazy. I said, let me check out their crafts section and their silicone molds to see what they have. And y'all, your girl went crazy, okay? Absolutely crazy. It's ridiculous. I ordered twice, and the second time that I ordered, I did not realize that I still had items from the previous purchase in the cart, and so I wound up ordering duplicates. But it's okay. You can never have too many molds, right? So without further ado, let's jump into this haul. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Elena, and I have been doing resin work since about 2020 is when I started this channel. I am a crafter of many things, so I don't just do resin work. I also have a wax melt website. If you're interested in wax melts, you love things that smell good, definitely check out my website. I will definitely leave the link in the description box below, so y'all can check that out if you want to get some wax melts. I will be bringing the wax melts to the channel as well. We'll be basically pouring our hearts out over here. Okay, guys. Anyway, let's get started with this haul. I have quite a bit here. I don't know if they're both going to be in the same video, but as we get to the end of this bag, we'll see how long the video is, and then I'll let you guys know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so the first thing I got here is right on top. This is a blueberry mold, and I got this mold for my wax melts, actually. I do make like a blueberry and waffle little set of wax melts, and it smells just like blueberries and just like waffles. So I got one of these, and well, it's in this bag. I think I bought another one in the other bag, but we'll get to the other bag later. But yeah, this is the first thing in there. Next, I got this resin mold. I'm not quite sure what this is, guys. I don't remember what a lot of this stuff is. I think these are like regular coasters, and then this is like the holder for it. So they're square coasters. Yeah, that's what this is. Square coasters, and when you finish, the coasters just kind of sit in here as a holder. So that's that. I thought that was cute. Here's the circle version. Okay, it's just, I'll go ahead and open it. Here's the circle version, of course. And then we have the molds. Okay. Super excited to try these out. Of course, you know, I can sell those as a set, so that works out nicely. I like that a lot. Next, I have this pretty bowl here, a little trinket bowl. It has a design on it. So it has this, what is this on here? Looks like flowers. Kind of looks like roses or something on here. But it's a nice little trinket tray. So we'll definitely be making some trinket trays. I got this little stirrer. It's just a silicone spatula to use when I'm needing, you know, extra tools. So I got that. I got a new alphabet mold. They have this alphabet mold. As you can see, the letters are like more rounded than the traditional mold where the letters are more kind of squared off. So I thought that was cute. Okay, smaller molds. I got this cross mold. Okay, this is what it looks like. The different crosses. Very nice. And then I got these straw topper molds. It has different ones in here. Funny story about these guys. I wanted these so bad. I wanted this mold so bad. I originally saw it on Amazon before I even knew anything about Temu, and I had it in my list of things to buy, you know, like later. And I wound up buying it because I'm back into the resin and stuff, and so I was gonna go ahead and make it. And when I got it, by the time I had ordered it, I realized that I had found out about Temu and had ordered them on Temu. So when it came, you know, I waited a little bit for my Temu order to come in, saw these, looked at the one from Amazon, and it was the same thing. Of course, it was cheaper on Temu. I can't remember the price on Amazon or on Temu for that matter, but I do know that it was much, much cheaper on Temu. So I sent the one from Amazon back. And it was the same exact thing. Same exact molds. So we have the circle, the heart, the Mickey Mouse head, the flower. I'm not sure what that is. It kind of looks like Sonic. Oh no, it's a bird. That's what it is. It's upside down. It's a bird, a star, another little florally looking thing, and then looks like maybe a bear or something. It's not really a mouse. See the difference? Looks more like a bear. And then the last one, this is the one I really wanted, the butterfly diamond crown and bow. So we'll definitely be making some straw toppers. As you guys know, well, you may or may not know, I do make tumblers, and so I feel like this would be a great little accessory to, you know, gift with the tumbler. So we've got those. I got 2 of these sets. This is like the tiered tray set. So I got 2 of these. Definitely looking forward to making this, you know, just as decor pieces for my home. So not sure what color I'm going to be using so when I make these, but definitely excited to try that out. Okay, next we have, this is a flower coaster mold. Okay, I know you guys have seen this one before. I never had it. See, it's the flower coaster mold. It has the impression of the middle of the flower there. So that's going to be really pretty when we make that. And I did buy a few of these. I can't remember how many I bought, but I know there's a couple more in these bags. Yep, speaking of which, here's another one. Okay, next up I got the coffee shaker mold. I thought that was interesting. I had never seen it before, but I did recently watch a video on how it's made. Shout out to, what's the name of the channel? Oh gosh, I can't remember the name, but if I'll try to put it on the screen. New channel that I found. And she recently made one of these, so I was like, okay, that's how you do it. I'm gonna definitely try this out. Thought it was super cute. And then we have this here. I think this is like a coaster holder. Yeah, this is coaster holder for the shaker, because you can use these as like coasters as well. And so this is just another holder for them. So you would put the coaster in the tray, you know, once you make it. And I did get 2. So that's nice. I probably need more of just these, because you can make 4, but only have 2 of the actual molds. So we'll see. If this is a good seller, then I'll have to get more of the this actual teacup part. What else do we have in here? All right, so next I also got, looks like I got 2 of these as well. These are the Christmas ornaments. Normally I make ornaments out of like the regular clear ornaments, and I'll just use kind of glitter. But I have made some Christmas ornaments out of some resin molds that I have already, but they don't look like this. And so I thought these were cute. These actually have words in them. So these will be very nice to make. That was weird that it was so sticky like that. So we've got a plain one. We've got Meet Me Under the Mistletoe, Deck the Halls, Believe in the Magic of Christmas, Have Yourself a Wonderful Little Christmas, and it's the most wonderful time of the year, and then 2 snowflakes. So that's nice. And then the other one says, I have another blank one. This one says Merry and Bright. This one says, well, Joy to the World. Let me turn it around. Merry and Bright, Joy to the World. This 'tis the season to be jolly. Home sweet home and Merry Christmas, y'all. Oh, I love that. Merry Christmas, y'all. I like that. And then of course, 2 more snowflakes. So I did get 2 of those. Here's the other pack here. So I'm hoping that these will sell nicely at Christmas time. They make really good gifts, you know, for people when you don't know what to get someone, or even like a gift tag, like to put it on the gift as like a little tag, and you know, people can use it as an ornament. There's different ideas, but I like those. And then the last thing I got here is something I've been wanting for a really, really long time. And I finally bit the bullet and bought it. And that is the pyramid mold, you guys. And so I did get the big one. Just figured I'd just go for it, you know. I don't think this is the biggest one, but this is a pretty big one. I like the size. It's a pretty decent size. Let me see if I can put that to the side. This is a pretty good size. It's not too overbearing. You know, won't be using like a lot of resin. I mean, it's still a lot of resin that I'll have to be using here, but the next size up is like humongous. And so I don't know how well these will sell. I am gonna make a couple for family members and see how they like them. I'll post them, and of course we'll do the video here on the channel and see how everyone likes them. And if they're, you know, if they sell well, then that'd be great. Maybe I will get the bigger mold, but I definitely can use this for like smaller. Like I don't have to fill it all the way up. I can kind of stop anywhere I want to stop and make different sizes with this mold in particular. So I like that. And then they give you this box here, you know, to kind of hold it in place, secure it so that your resin can cure, and you know, you don't have a whole mess. You have something to kind of hold the mold for the resin to cure. So yeah, so that's it. So that is the end of the first haul. You guys, this video is already about 13-14 minutes, so I'm going to end it here. I will bring you the next haul in the next video, so make sure you stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, and click your notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I upload a video and you don't miss out. Okay, thank you so much for being here, you guys. It's so good to be back. Yeah, give me some ideas of what you may want to see first out of these molds that I just got. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Don't forget to do something creative today. Take care.